Hey, good day. Super excited. How are you doing? You're welcome to Financial Trading Culture Series with Mayowa Owolabi. Guys, I've been away. I've been busy with the spiritual part of me. You know, I do host the teens and youth uh, with my wife. So I've been away, and since 4 to a week right now, my voice has been really down. So it's just recovering because of the activity. A lot of you that you're on Facebook, that you follow me on Facebook, you'll see some of the pictures. So right now my voice is back, so we can get back to work, okay? And if you really missed the past episode, you want to drop in that I missed, type that in the comment box below. Okay, so if this is your first time checking out this video, make sure you click on the subscriber button and also on the notification bell so you would get notified whenever the next video is being uploaded. Okay, and today I want to share with you the new face of GBPCAD. We've been on GBPCAD for since February, and we held it, and that's given us over 1,200 pips. Now 1,200 pips is small, and what I want to share with you is the next phase. However, I want you to understand that as a swing trader, the money is in you understanding what we call order flow. Okay? And a good example of order flow is if the institutions are selling from monthly, just keep selling. Okay, just keep selling. That's what it means by order flow. Okay, so because they're going to be retracing, as market retraces, the market, they'll keep adding up positions to it. So let's get to what we are expecting GBPCAD to do right now. So we've been expecting a retracement that will take us to the top for a while right now. And this zone, all this level is our sell zones, sorry, buy zones. And because of the level, this curve, okay, on the supply and demand curve, we are on the 25%. We are below 25%. So we need to look for a buy after we've taken this sell that can take us back to at least 2.300. 2.300. So right now, I'm going to zoom out this, and we can see that we have a drop base rally here inside this place. And this also has an approval of the zone here. So because of the approval of the zone, we're going to be looking for a potential buy reversal that will be happening in this zone. So I'm looking at 1.600 or 1.6260, 1.600 or 1.6500. Okay, so around this zone, I'm going to be looking for a buy opportunity. For those who are in the community, they already have the breakdown of this. So how were we able to catch this move? I shared with you the other time that this is just the zone, the level creating a lower high, a lower low, and a lower high. And you all agree with me that this is the common support and resistance that we all are used to. Okay, good. And because in ITC, we are not support and resistant trader, we are supply and demand traders. Okay, so when the market bounced off here, we knew that there will be a retracement from here. And if you have not watched the previous episode where I did a breakdown on this, I want you guys to go back and check that. Okay, so we got in on a 7 pip stop loss on this trade. And that was very, very interesting. It was a 7 pip stop loss, and it gave us over 1 to 200. Over 1 to 200. Over 1. It gave us over 1 to 100. Okay. So the 7 pip stop loss. And I told you guys the other time that we still expect it to drive into this. So if you've been following the training or the previous episode, I told you that it has to come into this place. So right now, it has given us over 1 to 100, and we are good. Good. So we need to just see a confirmation to buy. Then we're going to be good to go. So what are we looking for? We're going to be going to lower time frame. Let's say let's go and check daily. And in that monthly zone, we want to see if we can get a daily reversal level here. And if you know market structure, I've taught you guys that you can check the previous episode. This is a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low. And when this guy went up, he gave us an impulse. When it dropped, he gave us correction. And when it went up, he gave us continuation. So right now, we're expecting the reversal to be in this daily demand level. Okay? So let me see if we can get something lower on 8 hours. Good. So can get something lower on 8 hours. Fantastic. So you can see this drop base rally. So we're going to be looking into this zone for our buy. Okay. We're going to be looking into this zone for our buy. And the reason why we have to also wait for it is because if you enter right now, your stop loss will be very, very wide. The stop loss will be very, very wide. Stop loss will be very, very wide. So we're going to be expecting a behavior that the market bounces into this place, depending on your entry strategy. Because if you go in right now here, this will give us 121 pips. And that's much. So what do we want to do? We want to go to maybe 2 hours or 1 hour and be able to see the market bounces in here, break out of our change of trend, then we'll see a reversal. Now, if we don't see this, we would not go in because it makes us know that the market is not ready. Okay? But if it gives us that, then it gives us an idea that we are ready for it. So we're going to be going in on that, depending on what we can get. And the maximum, you know, that I do is between 5 pips to 15 pips. And once we catch in that buy, then we'll turn it back to monthly. Okay? Then we'll take it and we can hold this as far as 6 months, 2 years, depending on the level that you want to hold it on. But sincerely, we'll be expecting it to come up to the top here. So you might have to hold it for long, depending on your exposure, or depending on how you want it. Okay. So this is how we rock and roll. Okay, we've exited this. Some of us have exited. Some people are still holding until they see the reversal move in this trade, and we are good to go. Okay, so guys, we'll be expecting GBPCAD to buy. We're going to be holding the buy for a very long time. And if it breaks lower, that means that it's coming into the lower zone of this, which I don't see that happening. I see this level holding, okay? But because I'm not the owner of the market, but this is more of where the odds is right now. This is where more of the odds is right now. So from here, we can catch our move and we can take it to the top. Okay? I'm sure you guys gain some value. This is how we rock and roll it. Okay? So 1,000 pips, 1,120 pips delivered in 3 months. Not a bad one at all. Okay? I look forward to your success and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye for now, guys.